Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I'm out here pollinating flowers and checking up on the dragon fruits. If you're wondering what this device is, guys, this is a fan by JISULIFE. JISULIFE reached out to me and they wanted to sponsor a video, and I said, hey, go ahead and send that product and let me test it out and see if I like it. And you know what, guys? I'm not gonna lie. I only bring things to you that I feel that you guys would appreciate inside the garden. And this is a portable fan. So this is what it looks like. As it says on the box, it's the world's #1 portable fan. And guys, this is a hands-free device. It has 5 different settings. As you can see, the fan is blowing right towards my face. I have my hand free here and my hand free here. It has 5 different settings that you can use. You can go from low to high. If you decide that you wanted to get this product, I recommend that you charge it up before you use it. But it's a very powerful fan. I'll be traveling to Japan later on in the year, and I know that it's going to be humid out there, so this is definitely one of the devices that I'm going to be taking along with me on that trip. But right now I'm in the garden. It's blowing. It's hands-free, and it allows me to use my hands while I'm doing what I need to do in the garden. So guys, check this out. I'll have the link posted down below in the description. You know the motto on the page. It's your Cali Bro J. Each one teach one. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.